Yo, gather round, let's take a trip inside to the orbit of the eye where the secrets reside. Bones, nerves, and muscles in a pyramid they hide, a fortress for your vision where the magic collides. It's the orbit, yeah, the eye's protection. Bones and nerves in perfect connection. Fat and muscles, they cushion the ride, keeping your vision sharp and your gaze wide. It's the orbit, yeah, the eye's protection. Bones and nerves in perfect connection. Fat and muscles, they cushion the ride, keeping your vision sharp and your gaze wide. Pyramidal palace, apex pointing back. Four walls of bones keep the structure intact. Frontal on the roof, zygomatic to the side. Maxilla on the floor where the nerves like to hide. Superior fissure, let the cranial nerves flow. 3, 4, 6, and V1, they're running the show. Optic canals got the nerve and the artery tight, supplying the retina, bringing vision to light. Eyelids up front, spreading tears like a stream. Lacrimal glands lubricate the cornea's gleam. Fat cushions in a place like a bouncer in the club, protecting every move, showing orbit some love. It's the orbit, yeah, the eye's protection. Bones and nerves in perfect connection. Fat and muscles, they cushion the ride, keeping your vision sharp and your gaze wide. The eyeball moves 6 muscles in sync, up, down, side to side. Let me help you think. Lateral rectus abducts, pulling it out. Medial rectus adducts, without a doubt. Superior lifts, inferior pulls it down. Obliques twist the eye all around the town. Oculomotor nerve runs the whole cruise show, except for oblique, superior trochlear's flow. Lateral rectus, that's abducens game. These cranial nerves keep movements in frame. Blood flows in through the ophthalmic tract. Retinal arteries bringing vision right back. Drain through veins to the cavernous space. Orbit's a marvel, a perfectly built base. Let's spin it like this. Your eye's a globe, a camera lens in a protective abode. 3 axes of movement, yeah, that's the key. Rotation, elevation, it's anatomy. Medials for the gaze, laterals to explore. Elevation, depression, your vision's core. Muscles, nerves, and vessels combined, a symphony of science in your orbital design. It's the orbit, yeah, the eye's protection. Bones and nerves in perfect connection. Fat and muscles, they cushion the ride, keeping your vision sharp and your gaze wide. So next time you blink, give the orbit some props. It's the eye's MVP, making movements non-stop. From structure to nerves, it's a science vibe, protecting your vision, keeping you alive. EdMed with RapRoMed, join the movement now. Follow for more, stay tuned, we'll show you how. Catch us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and X. Like, share, follow, and find us at the next.